finally got my first DSLR. I've been wanting to buy one. This was in a bundle for $599. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I've been researching of which one is a good starting camera, and I was stuck between Canon M50 and Nikon D5600. 5600, sorry, D5600. And I'm getting this is the base of the camera. Mine's like super brand new. I didn't get the open box one. I got the brand new one. Only reason why I'm getting it now is because I'm getting paid weekly now, and I'm not paying my school tuition. So, and this is also a reward for me. This is one of the lens. It's the standard size, or the standard kind of lens. 18 through 55 millimeter.
That's an interesting.
And this is the thick lens. I don't know how to use this.
Oh my gosh, that is for stalking.
I'm curious, I want to try.
Let's start stalking people.
Got this. You can tell it's more like far away. Oh wow.
Oh, that typing feels weird and nice at the same time. Definitely weird though.
I'm gonna put this back in because it's too big and it makes me nervous. I am trying to protect this because it's huge and I don't want it to break. And from what I heard, Nikon lenses are ridiculously expensive compared to Canon. So yeah. So I've got the battery and the rechargeable. It's a rechargeable battery, which is nice. So I got a 64 gig SD card to start off with, and the speed is up to 80 megabytes per second. Wow. And this is specifically for cameras. And they're on sale too. But hey, the good news is I've been wanting to have a freaking DSLR. I just never, I don't know. I was just like, it's so expensive. I think it'll be worth it because when I got the iPad, I was really happy with it. And I was like, I'm so glad I got it. The only problem is I'm having a hard time opening the battery. I can't open it. This part.
Alright.
That's the battery. Lastly, I got a bag. It's huge. It was on sale, originally $40. Got it for $20. It's so hard.
It is pretty hard.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna add the lens. I don't have lens on it. Oh yeah. I also got the strap. Nice. I need a strap. Oh, that's what the line is. Oh. It's right there. I just noticed that. I was wondering, like, what is that white dotted line? So apparently the white dotted lines are the ones that you line it up with. I'm sorry, I'm a pure noob, so please forgive me. This can open, which is nice. My nail pressed the wrong one. I was trying to press English.
Oh no!
I was like, no, that's not what I want. So that is our unboxing video. Major unboxing. Hello everyone. I got another lens because so many photographers were recommending this one for starters or like a beginner. So this is what I got. It is a Nikon 35 millimeters with an aperture of 1.8. They say this is good because it's still wide angle, but then you'll get a really nice depth, and it's not like the 50 millimeter with aperture 1.8 because that one is closer, and some people were like struggling on trying to have a further picture, but they couldn't do it. So at first I was conflicted between them, and then I just kept researching, and then I found this. I've already had this for like 2 days, and I learned so much using this. I love it. It's definitely worth it. I understand more of how to utilize this DSLR. Alright, I'm gonna open it. Oh hey, they gave me a pouch for just one pouch. I need more pouches. Here's the big one. Get this to it.